Tell us something, Mr. Dilly.
This is beautiful. We're having a great time here in Nevada. Getting ready to go look at the Grand Canyon.
Herds of people.
Folks, where you're standing right now is one of the two power plant wings of Hoover Dam. There's another river just like this one right across that river out there on the Arizona side of the dam with
That road over there goes to nowhere, doesn't it? Look at that one. That one too. This shop's over at Nation. They come right over there. Let's go up there and see.
Following the cables to the right, you will see the lifting mechanism of the crane supported by the cable.
Don't worry about him.
This is an original crane from construction of the dam. It is the oldest and largest continuously operating cableway crane system in the world.
All right, Senator Dilly.
Lift capacity of 150 tons. Thank you for visiting one of the top 10 construction achievements of the 20th century. Feel free to stay and take all the pictures you like. The next presentation on the Discovery Tour is located across the street at the flagpole. This massive arched gravity structure contains 3,250,000 cubic yards of concrete, enough to build a two-lane highway from San